going to show you a new app which is named Files. You can use it to replace your current File Explorer, like this one. This is your current default File Explorer for Windows. And now I'm going to install and show you the new app which I am talking about. Just go to this link. I will leave it in the video's description and click on Get. It will ask you to open Microsoft Store. Click on Open, and here click on Get, and it will take a minute or two to download and install. And now just click on Open, and here it is, the new Files app. You can also customize it as you like by using settings, which is this icon, and here you can choose your preference of color, like light or dark. You can also apply custom themes and customize your sidebar, and you can do many other customization, like in preferences you can change your language, date formats, terminal application, files and folders, startup settings, and in multitasking you can enable or disable dual pane view and one tasking. If you open a new folder, like I'm going to create one for example, it will open up in the default File Explorer app. You can change it by going into Experimenter, and there click on Set Files as Default File Manager, and click on Yes. And now close it up. When you open the folder, it will open up in the new File Explorer. And in case you want to uninstall it, for that just go to Settings, Experimenter, turn this feature off, click Yes, and after that you can remove it like any other app you installed from Microsoft Store. Go to Start, right click on it and click on Uninstall, and that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.